The Mighty Air Purifier is compact by design and equipped with a range of intuitive, cutting-edge features to keep your indoor air clean. The Mighty provides up to 360 square feet of coverage with a certified clean air delivery rate of 232. With a true HEPA filter efficiency rating of 99.97%, the Mighty cleans and freshens indoor air through a BAF-certified 4-stage filtration process. The washable pre-filter captures large dust, fur, and hair with its micromesh. The odor filter eliminates smaller particles, odors, and harmful gases with its activated carbon layer. Our true HEPA filter traps up to 99.97% of airborne allergens and contaminants as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen, pet dander, household dust, and tobacco smoke. Finally, the built-in Vital Ion feature boosts cleaning power and freshens the air with negative ions. The intuitive air quality indicator uses particle sensor technology to monitor indoor air quality and displays the indoor air quality in real time through 3 vivid colors. Blue indicates the air is clean. Purple indicates the air is medium polluted. Red indicates the air is highly polluted. The Mighty's smart technology enables the fan to automatically adjust the airflow speed from low to medium to high when pollutants are detected in the air. When the air quality in the room remains good for 30 minutes or more while in auto mode, the Mighty shuts off its fan and switches to eco mode, which saves energy and reduces noise for a peaceful night's sleep. The Mighty, a compact, powerful air purifier that seamlessly fits into your lifestyle. Clean better, live smarter.
One of the major concerns that every single traveler has, whether they travel for work or for leisure, is lost luggage. Airlines today continue handling luggage the same way they did 100 years ago, and this represents a huge problem. How huge? Multi-billion-dollar huge. Over 70,000 people lose their luggage every day. That's over 25 million travelers a year. Yes, 25 million. That doesn't only mean the value of the belongings people lose, which in some cases is a lot of money. It means suffering, anxiety, frustration, lost reputations, ruined vacations, delays. These things don't have a value and can't be replaced. That's why we created LugLoc. LugLoc is a complete geo-tracking solution that empowers you as a traveler. It's a smart device that fits in any size bag and connects to an amazingly simple smartphone app that tracks its location anywhere in the world. LugLoc's proximity alert feature lets you know when your luggage is about to show up at the luggage carousel. You can also place it in your backpack or purse, and LugLoc will alert you when you move away from it, so you never leave it behind. LugLoc is for everyone. Whether you're traveling for business, vacation, or adventure, LugLoc is the perfect companion. LugLoc is durable, reliable, and completely traceable worldwide with the mobile app. It also complies with all air travel regulations. It will save you time, hassle, and help you reunite with your belongings. LugLoc. Keep track of your luggage. Keep the journey alive.
Hi everyone, I'm Roy from Upright, and in this video I wanted to show you everything you need to know about our adhesives. The Upright Go comes with 9 adhesives, 1 is already attached to the Go, and you have 8 more in the box. If you attach the adhesive to a dry and clean back, you could use it for about 10 uses. I was able to use it up to 15, but it really depends on the skin. After you use the adhesives for a few times, they will get less sticky. So we included some standard alcohol pads in the box, which you could use to clean the adhesives. Just make sure that the adhesives are dry before you stick it on your back. Also, you could use the alcohol pad to clean the skin before attaching the Go on your back. But remember, it needs to be dry before you actually attach it to your back. After you feel the adhesive lost its stickiness, it's time to replace it with a new one. First, remove the old adhesive using the adhesive removal tool that's in the box. If you don't have it, you could use your finger or any small object to help reach behind the tab that's on top of the adhesive. It's very important you make sure there's nothing left on the Go. The adhesive doesn't stick well unless it's directly on the device, so really make sure there's nothing left there. Next, grab a new adhesive, and there are two steps. First, peel the white paper and stick it directly to the Go. Then, once it's firmly on the Go, remove the green plastic that says skin and attach it to your back. The adhesive doesn't stick that well on sweaty skin or skin that had lotion on it. And in general, we recommend that you train in the office or in a closed space. After you're done training, it's best to place the Go in the travel case to make sure it stays clean and have it charged overnight. If you're running low on adhesives, you can always order more on our website or in the menu in the app. For more information about how to use the Go, check out our other YouTube videos, our Learn More section in the app, or contact our customer support. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.
Introducing Premis from Weiser, the latest smart lock with Apple HomeKit compatibility. Now you can use Siri voice commands to do this.
Siri, unlock front door.
Which in turn does that. HomeKit also lets you control your lock remotely
Siri, lock front door.
via your Apple TV. Download the free Premis iOS app to check your lock status, lock history, and battery life. And even send up to 30 unique user codes, which give anyone access for as long as you want. Best of all, Premis installs in just minutes, all while enjoying Apple's end-to-end encryption, as well as the trusted security features you've come to expect from Weiser, Canada's #1 selling lock brand. The Premis Smart Lock with Apple HomeKit compatibility. Only from Weiser. Home Smart Home.